welcome back to another day of Vlogmas. This is Vlogmas day 9, I believe. Day 9. And today is actually December 7th. Yes, today is Friday, December 7th that I'm filming this, but you guys are seeing this on Sunday. So, it is now 18 days until Christmas, I believe. So we're gonna change this to an 8 if I can find it. I can never do these things. 18 days until Christmas. And I just went and got a Walmart package for a haul coming very soon. And then a coffee because they have coffee in the office. I love our apartment complex for that. And then here is another day of my advent calendar. So today is the 7th. So it's probably right here. We're skipping Christmas this year. Haha, never. That's one of our favorite movies is Christmas with the Cranks. And then, ooh, we got a bottle of wine today. Oops, uh-oh. Don't look in here. This is day 8, I believe, yeah. If you guys haven't seen yesterday's video that went up on Saturday, I talked all about this advent calendar, so go watch that. But here is, ooh, this is a Merlot. It's a lot darker in here today because it's not sunny outside, but I got Bogle Merlot, so that's awesome. Let me add this to my stash. And I'm sitting here, I'm gonna open this, and I'm not gonna show you guys what's in here, but, or at least I'm gonna try not to. This is only part of my Walmart order, so I have to wait till next week to actually film it. Something white, something black, something maroon colored, and something gray. What is this? I'm very confused. Why is there a gift card in here? That's so annoying. Walmart, why'd you do this? I thought you gave me a free gift card, but it's literally like, oh, in case you forgot a gift for someone, you could load this gift card. No, I'm not gonna load that gift card. I just opened everything, it's right over there, and everything looks very promising, so I'm very excited about that. I'm gonna drink my Pike's Place coffee, which, so good. I put a little bit of creamer in it today. It's delicious. Okay, never mind, change of plans. I actually did my self-tanner with this. I have a full video with Tanceuticals on my channel with their body lotion and their face lotion and like different stuff like that. So I ended up using this and the face lotion. I haven't done it in a long time. I haven't put self-tanner on my face in a long time, so hopefully it all goes well. I'm pretty sure it never broke me out before, so fingers crossed. But this one is nice because it doesn't have a color guard or anything, so I literally can just wear this throughout the day. It feels like a lotion. It smells really good. Doesn't feel sticky at all. And then it'll develop throughout the day. So you have to leave it on for like 7 to 8 hours or just like overnight until you shower again, you know, kind of thing. And that's why I really like this stuff. It is so easy to apply. It's just like a lotion. So watch that video. This part obviously isn't sponsored. I just wanted to tell you guys what I'm using, and hopefully later on today I'll have a very bronze beautiful color. Hello. I really like the color of this as well, so that's what I decided to do instead of doing like a 3-hour thing and then washing it off. This way I can just go about my day and not worry about the self-tanner. Holy crap, you guys, I just got more of my Walmart order in. There are some amazing pieces. Like, this is one of my best ones yet. I am so excited. Okay, so it is like -5 degrees, it feels like, in my house right now. I am so cold, and I don't know what to do. Like, I'm kind of debating turning on the heat, but like, I don't want to turn on the heat. Like, that's no fun. So, I don't know, but I'm so excited. It's so dark. Oh, hello. I have a pair of shoes, another pair of tennis shoes, because you guys seem to go crazy over the tennis shoes. Here's a little sneak peek of that I get, and so I'm so excited. There is a fuzzy piece, a really cute sweater, some pants that I'm excited to try on. I'm so stinking excited. I think I'm gonna go try all this stuff on to see if it fits. Hello, I'm back on here. Can you guys tell I'm starting to get darker from the self-tanner? It's happening. I'm so excited. So, what was I gonna say? Oh, since I last talked to you, it is now 2:45, and I have, sorry, I was seeing if I had self-tan on my palms, but I don't. I have edited 2 videos, exported them, and uploaded them to YouTube. Like, they're not live or anything, but they're getting ready to be scheduled for Vlogmas, which is awesome. I still have more videos to edit. I think I have like 2 more that I still need to edit, and then like obviously more to film. But I think I'm going to take a break. I'm just gonna put on some makeup. I'm going to get ready kind of, and probably go run to the store. I ordered a sweatshirt from JCPenney. If you guys follow the sister studio, she finds amazing deals. I just love her as a blogger. And so she raves about these like kind of tunic length sweatshirts, and it was on sale today for like $11. So I did a pickup in store order. I'm thinking about doing a JCPenney clothing haul because I was looking at their clothes today, and they have so many affordable options. Like, you definitely have to sift through things like you do at Walmart, but so many deals on things. So I might end up doing one after the Christmas season, like in the new year for JCPenney. So if you guys want that, please let me know down below in the comments. Do you shop at JCPenney? I really don't, but I think it'd be fun, kind of like Walmart, to take a place where like not a ton of people I know shop there and like get it going, you know?
Hola.
Hey, you guys driving still?
Yeah.
Awesome.
It's December again, I can't believe it. Whatever happened to the rest of the year? It went by so fast, I barely did see it. Now I'm calling all angels high, if you are there, help me find the Christmas spirit again. The Christmas spirit again. That one place in my heart that was there from the start.
Hello. It is many hours later. It's like 7, what time is it? 7 something?
8:13.
Oh, 8:13. Caleb's here. I haven't vlogged with him at all this Vlogmas, but he still is here. I still see him all the time.
Yes, we're still acquainted.
We're still acquainted. And I opened that, as you guys saw, I opened that red, the sweater, red sweater wine or something. I don't know what it's called. It's decent. It's not the best wine I've ever had, but
no bite.
it's pretty good.
You get
Luna's going nuts. Luna! See, she's so sweet when, like, I work during the day and you guys see her, that I show you, but now at night she's a little monster sometimes.
Yeah.
Aren't you?
She likes to play when I come home.
Yeah, she does. Luna, where's your toy?
Go get your toy.
Where's your toy? Go get it. Where is it?
There you go.
Oh, good girl. You're so smart. So what game do you want to play first? You don't know? Trivia? Beer trivia? Or...
Let's do the other one because I want to be drinking when I play beer trivia.
Oh, yeah. Okay. All right. It's kind of dark.
Try not to. Hey, no bite.
But that's okay.
Where's your toy? Where's your toy?
We're setting the mood, I guess. You guys like my little twinkly lights? I think they're so cute. So we got this game. I don't know if I explained this or not, but it's like a puzzle game for us to play. It's like, oops. It's like 2 to 4 players. I'm turning this light on. It's too dark. You sitting pretty?
No.
Okay, so we got this puzzle game, or I got it for Caleb. basically for Christmas, but I just found it and was like, we should play it. So there's like 4 different categories of puzzles, right?
What?
There's like 4 different puzzle categories. So there's like words, riddles, letters, and like math. And you have to race to be the first one to get it right. Yes. Why are you like serial killering, like whatever? You look like a serial killer. So awkward.
What are you talking about?
I'm so awkward.
I wasn't walking with my arms straight down.
Yep, you stay
What are you
right
doing?
there. Oh yeah, we gotta put them like this. Wait, what's the order?
Riddle run.
You're so cute. You're just so in on this. All right, so you're oldest. You can do this first.
That's what we get, ladies and gentlemen. 2. All right, so this one's gonna be a number puzzle right here. It's gonna involve mathematics.
Mathematics.
Perhaps
okay.
algebra.
Yes.
Probably not geometry.
All right, let's do this. Ready?
You're gonna lose.
Set, go. 1?
Yeah, I was gonna say.
Yeah, 1. Yay, I got it. So I get the letter.
Found window shopping, listening to the sound from some street crier, caroling through the air, and the smell of the big Christmas tree in the square. Here comes the
Hi, little White Riding Hood. Hi. Oh, you have such big teeth.
You just slaughtered that.
What big teeth you have. Is that what I'm supposed to say?
Yes.
She's so cute.
Oh, you have
Look.
such big teeth.
We're playing beer trivia now. So, is this my question or yours?
Yeah, it's yours.
My question.
Did you just read the answer?
No, I swear I didn't.
All right.
You ask.
Porter was named after Cole Porter, port wine journalists, or London porters.
Ooh. I want to say port wine, but it's probably not. It's probably London porters. Yeah, I was right.
London porters.
Linda's like, what? What? Anyway, that's what we're doing.
And we're drinking beer.
Yeah.
We're
See?
slamming them.
No,
Emily's
this is-
hammered.
Oh yeah, I'm so hammered.
She's passing out right now. Pretty sure she's... Oh, Luna's drunk. Probably should have
no.
fed her all that beer.
Oh no.
Alright.
Oh. Oh no. Oh, she's like,
my.
oh, the camera. All right, you guys, that's gonna be it for today's vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and make sure.
Vlog is short for video log.
Thank you for that lesson.
Got you, fam.
Thank you for watching. Make sure you go watch all my other Vlogmas videos. I will have a link to the playlist down below in the description box. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a video tomorrow. Bye, guys. Say bye.